Hello my lovelies, how you all doing? I hope you're keeping well and staying crafty. Right, at long last I'm coming on to do the draw for my 65th birthday ATC giveaway. Thank you ever so much to everybody that's joined in. So this is the prize, as I said in the original video, is a flowish journal, and I'd partly made it up several years ago, 2017 I think it was. So the cover is it's a Tyvek bag cover that I'd done, and I've put another one in as well. I think they're beautiful, and for whoever the winner is, I don't know whether you know, but you can. It's a fantastic material, is Tyvek, and it comes in different thicknesses as well. But you can chop it up and heat it with a heat tool and shrivel it up to make flowers and all sorts of things. I don't know whether everybody knows that or not, but it is a wonder, and it's very, very strong. You can't rip it. So there's two of those, and I'm not going to go all the way through it because look, it's thick, and I did show you pretty much all of it. So you know, it's all sorts of, that's the hand of friendship, it's all sorts of painty papers, junk mail, bits from years ago when I used to sell plants. I was looking through it yesterday and said to Mr. Doodle, well, I really love this, I would love to win this. Painted papers, painted envelopes, all sorts of stuff in it. Oh, that I just did that yesterday. It was a piece of paper had left over from the project. Yeah, so there's all sorts of, have I just said there's three signatures? There's three signatures. Now, depending if it's an international winner, I said this originally, I may have to take some bits out for postage, but I don't know, we shall have to see. There's all sorts of yumminess, I think. Cats and orange bags and labels, and I think it's the sort of thing I certainly know when I've received them. Little origami dress there, crikey, that's a long time ago. It's the sort of thing I know when I've received them, because I've done several swaps before. I can tell this is going to be a long video, sorry not sorry. When I've received them before, each time you look through it you see something different. So that is basically it, and I've left the left the pockets undone. I sometimes used to put some painty papers in there to make it sturdier. So say it's entirely up to the individual whether you want to, you know, but use it. Use it, please use it, don't be frightened to use it. I've used lots of stuff out of the ones I've received, so I hope you like it. I wish you could all win. Right, I'll put that to one side. Now, we've got 14 names down. 2 entries are still in the post. Julie Paper Lover, she's across the pond. She posted hers, I would say, over 3 weeks ago, and it still hasn't arrived. And I messaged her yesterday. I said, I'll still put your name in. She said, no, please don't put my name in. So I've got her down there as do not enter. So, you know, I don't mind, Julie, but, you know, I don't mind putting your name in, because I said to her that if her name was pulled out, then I would wait until it turns up. And the same with Bex. She's in the UK. She said she posted hers last Saturday. I've waited for the post today, nothing today, so I don't know. So if your name's pulled out, Bex, then, you know, again, I will have to wait until an ATC arrives, because it's only fair. So these are all the names, and I've put numbers. I thought that was easier than me writing all the names out again. So, Jean Godby, Julie Green Macaroni, Anne Lane, Linda Pearce, Andrea Turner, Christine Carpenter, Kim Kelly, Evelyn Rossio, Max Lockley, Samantha VI, Trudy Gaga for gluing, Sheila Nelson, and Bex Crafts. So, I've got this little mug today, so we'll just fold them up. Sorry if you think I'm taking too long, but there we go. So yeah, thank you ever so much everyone for entering. It's been fun, and I've got rid of a bit out of my craft room. Like it's made a difference. I said to Mr. Doodle, right, I'm going upstairs to do the draw for the giveaway, and then I need to spend some time in here trying to, because I've literally got 0 floor room, and oh goodness, I don't know. But then we're supposed to be going shopping. Oh, I might just abandon the task of tidying the craft room. We've all been there, haven't we? We know what it's like. But desk, you should see the tiny one. This is literally the tiny little bit of desk space I've got. It doesn't get much bigger anyway. But number 12, we didn't put 13 in because Julie asked me not to do. 14. Right. Give them a good old shake. Oh, and if it's a UK winner, as I said in my original video, because if it's an international winner, I don't mind, obviously, because I've put the challenge up. But if it's an international winner, it's going to cost me a lot to send it. If it's a UK winner, it'll cost me like 1/3 of the price. Well, yeah, less than that, I would think. So I'm gonna send you a bigger box full of stuff, and then that's up to you. Whatever I put in, feel free to pass anything along. So I just feel, I think we all feel bad that we can't give international the same sort of thing. Right, I'm going to do it like that, so I'm not looking in the mug then. So, good luck everyone. Da, 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 da. Right, there we go. Oh, are we ready? Number 10, Samantha. Yay, well done Samantha. That's Samantha VI Crafting. So, yes, I shall get that off to you. We're only on Monday, but hopefully sometime this week, because I will, as I've just said, I will put you a load more stuff in, and please feel free to pass anything along, or do what you wish with it. That's the same as with the journal. Just take bits out, use them in your crafting, and just have fun. Don't think, oh, well, that's a nice journal, I don't want to, that's what it's for. It is a supplies journal, and I think I've got another, oh, that's my knee. I've got another 2 up on the shelf there, but I love them. I think they're great. And I didn't say they're not sewn in. I think I said that bit, but I don't know whether you spotted there. I put elastic around the middles of each signature, and then, because to start with, I put the elastic round the folder, but it's the cover, but it was digging into it, so I thought, no, we'll use some pretty sari silk. So yes, do as you wish with it, Samantha. So again, thank you so much to everybody for entering and for supporting my channel, and it really does mean the world to me. I appreciate you all so much. I think you know that. And I just wish I could send you all one when we win the lottery, which we don't do. But when we become millionaires, you'll all have something. And Julie and Bex, I really hope your ATCs arrive. It's very annoying when things don't arrive. But anyway, it's out of our hands, isn't it? So, Samantha, thank you for joining in, and everybody again, take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.